Hey there, Bethany here from Demio. I am super excited to show you all the things that you can do with your registration page right in your Demio account. So first, we automatically create a registration page for you anytime you create a new event. So you get to customize these registration pages to fit whatever your needs are. So let's start from the top and work our way down. So the first area is the template area. You can choose gradient, which is going to give you this amazing full color background. You can choose accent, which is going to give you a white background with your color scheme as an accent, or you can choose background image. So let's go ahead and choose a background image. So once you have your background image uploaded, you can see that you can change the opacity of your image. So you can change it from low to medium to high. That's just to make sure that your headline and your subheadline are able to be seen above your background image. So let's talk about branding really quickly. Demio's logo is going to automatically show there, but of course you can add your own logo if you would like. Just upload it right here. You can also change the color scheme. So the color scheme is going to affect your register button and your terms and condition link. So let's go ahead and change that color. So you'll see with the color you're able to use a hex code for whatever color you like, or you can use this color bar here to change it. Next, let's talk about all these elements we have. So by default, your headline is going to be whatever you named your webinar in the event creation phase. But you can also add a subheadline. Subheadlines are super important to expand on the value of the webinar that you are going to be hosting. So let's go ahead and add a subheadline here. And once you click save, you'll see the registration page update for you. So these next elements are absolutely crucial if you're wanting to take your registration page to the next level. So a video, you can add a YouTube, Demio, or Wistia link here. So let's go ahead and add a YouTube video. Videos give you the ability to showcase your brand, a little bit more of your personality, and to get people excited to join your webinar. The next area is the description. Descriptions are absolutely important. It again expands even further beyond your headline and subheadline and lets people know exactly what value they're going to get out of spending time with you on your live event. So adding a description is super important. And you'll see you're able to add bullet points. You can bold text. Pretty much do any formatting that you need to do in order to make your description showcase what you need it to. And the last area in the elements section is the featured presenters. Now, some people forget to add themselves as a featured presenter. You want to make sure that at least you are highlighted here, so that way you're a familiar face by the time they join the webinar. So let's go ahead and add myself here. And once you have everything added, just click Add Presenter and you'll be able to see your featured presenters there. You can add multiple presenters, so be sure to highlight anyone that's going to be on the webinar with you. Now, this last area is kind of like we saved the best for last. The social open graph image settings are the settings for any time that you share your registration page link on social media. I know you've seen where sometimes when you share a link, it gives you a preview. Well, this is exactly where you can change what that preview looks like. So just click Edit Settings and you'll see that it defaults to this upcoming live event image, but you might want to change that. So you can upload your image here. And once you upload your image, you'll be able to see a preview of what that would look like when you share it on social media. You're also able to update the title, the description in these areas here, because maybe you want it to look a little different on social media than your registration page. That's totally fine. You can do that there. Click Save Open Graph, and now anytime that you share your registration link on social media, you will see that preview. So that is how you can create your registration page right in Demio. Make sure to use those elements. That's what gets people excited to sign up for your webinar, and which is why we created those options for you to customize your registration page. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. We'd be happy to help.